for some more division strategies. We're going to try an easy problem first to look at this, and then we'll look at one that's just a tiny bit harder to practice some more. This is the place value chart strategy for division. So thinking about this 8 as 8 ones, and then dividing those up like we were dividing the Skittles in the problems we were doing before. So the way this problem works is you're going to write the number 8 up here, right? We have 8 ones, okay? And we are going to divide that up into 4 equal groups, okay? So there's 2 groups and 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, and 4 equal groups. We're dividing up our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Okay, to start this off, we're just going to pass out 1 at a time because it's fairly easy, right? We can't have more than 9 ones in the ones place. Otherwise, we start to have 10. So we can just count out 1 at a time. 1, 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, and 4 ones. We need to make sure that we mark these off to show that we have used them already. We've passed out 1, 2, 3, 4 of our ones. Let's go ahead and pass out the rest. Do we have enough to pass out 1 in each group? Yes, we do. We've got 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can mark those off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since we are out of 1 chips to pass out into our 4 groups, we know that we're done. And since each group has 2 in it, we know that our quotient is 2. Okay. I know you've seen a couple of these before already today, but we're going to try one more that's a little bit harder because I know even having seen several today, I went a little fast with that one. So let's look at another problem. How about 48 divided by 4? Oops. 48 divided by 4. Well, in this problem, I've got 8 ones again and 4 tens. So let's make our place value chart here. I've got my ones here, 8 ones and 4 tens. Draw my little box to draw those inside of. And then I'm going to divide that up into 4 equal groups. There's 2, 3, and 4 boxes to divide these up into. See how this is looking more like a place value chart now that we're doing more than one place? Next step is to draw our chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Starting with our ones here, this is supposed to be just 1 chip. It's kind of a mega chip. That's okay. We're going to do the same thing. Pass out 1 at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, which uses half of our chips. We can mark those out. Do we have enough to fill up again? Yes, we do. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? We're out of ones. We've divided up all of our 1 chips between our 4 groups. So now we're going to move over to our tens. Well, there's 4 groups, and I have 4 tens. So I know I'm just going to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, mark those out. Now my answer is how much, the quotient is how much did each group get? Or if we're thinking about dividing it up among people, how much did each person get? How much is in each group? Well, they have 1 10 and 2 ones. Or if we were going to write that in standard form, 1 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place for the number 12. So our quotient here, 48 divided by 4, is 12. This is kind of the easy mode for this strategy. This can get a little bit trickier with moving back and forth between ones and tens and into hundreds once it gets to be larger. But I think this is a really good way of breaking down the problem without having to do too many extra steps. Try this one out today on your division problem. See how it works for you. If you don't love it, you don't have to use it after today. But for today, try this strategy. Good luck, and we'll see you back here again tomorrow.